Hello students, in today's lecture we will solve some practice questions based on chapter waves. Part 4. In today's lecture we will cover practice questions from 32 to 44. Disclaimer: the images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. So, topic is waves, question 32. So, question is sound of frequency f passes through a Quincke tubes adjusted for intensity Im. What should be the length to which the tube should be moved to reduce intensity to 50%. So, given options, option A is V divided by 2F, option B V divided by 4F, option C V divided by 8F, and option D V divided by 16F. So, which option is correct? A, B, C, D. You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So, we know Im adjusted for intensity Im is equal to 4Ka square. This one Im equal to 4Ka square and I equal to 2Ka. So I prime is equal to K a square plus 2a square cos square theta, where phi is equal to pi by 2. Part difference lambda by 4, which is equal to 2x. So V divided by 4f is equal to 2x. V divided by 4f is equal to 2x. So x is equal to V divided by 8f. So this is the answer. And question asked about the what should be the length to which the tube should be moved to reduce 50%. Clear? So C option is correct. This one is correct. Next question 33. A racing car moving towards a cliff sounds its horn. The driver observes that the sound reflected from the cliff has a pitch 1 octave higher than the actual sound of the horn. If V is the velocity of sound, the velocity of the car is what? So in this question asked about the velocity of the car. Given options, option A is V divided by root 2, option B is V by 2, option C is V by 3, and option D V by 4. So which option is correct? A, B, C, D. You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So, according to question, a racing car moving towards a cliff. Suppose this is a car, this one is a car moving towards a cliff, this one, and the driver observed that the sound reflect from the cliff, and driver observes that the sound reflect, this one, sound reflect from the cliff as a pitch 1 octave higher than the actual sound of the horn. V is the velocity of the sound, and question asked about the velocity of the car. So let n be the actual frequency of the sound of horn. Clear? and V is the actual frequency of the sound of the horn. If V prime s, this is the be the velocity of car, this car have a velocity Vs prime, then frequency of sound striking the cliff, source is moving towards listener. N prime is equal to V cross N divided by V minus Vs. So N prime is equal to this one. Let this is equation first. And the frequency of sound heard on reflection, this reflection of sound, N double prime is equal to V plus Vs multiply by N prime divided by V. After solving this, you will be get V plus Vs divided by V multiply by V cross N divided by V minus Vs. So ratio of N double prime divided by N is equal to V plus Vs divided by V minus Vs is equal to 2. And solving this equation, V plus Vs is equal to 2V minus 2Vs. So Vs, velocity of car, is source V by 3. So in this question asks about the velocity of the car. So this is the velocity of the car. After using the concept, this one, source is moving towards the listener. So correct answer is C. C is correct answer, V by 3. Next question 34. Question is, a train of sound waves is propagated along an organ pipe and gets reflected from an open end. If the displacement amplitude of the waves incident and reflected are 0.002 centimeter and the frequency is 1000 Hz and wavelength is 40 centimeter, then the displacement amplitude of vibration at a point at distance 10 centimeter from the open end inside the pipe is what? Options is, option A is 0.002 centimeter, option B 0.003 centimeter, option C 0.001 centimeter, and option D 0 centimeter. So which option is correct? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So the equation of stationary waves for open organ pipe can be written as a in this form. This one, y equal to 2a cos 2 pi x divided by lambda multiply by sine 2 pi ft divided by v. So this is the equation of stationary wave for open organ pipe, where x is the open and from where wave gets reflected. And the amplitude of stationary wave is ag equal to 2a cos 2 pi x divided by lambda, this one. So for x is equal to 0.1 meter, it is given in question. So as is equal to 2 multiply 0.002 cos 2 pi multiply 0.1 divided by 0.4. So after calculating this term, you will be get as equal to 0. Clear? So D option is correct. This one is correct. Next question 35. Question is, an engine approaches a hill with a constant speed when it is at a distance 0.9 km. It blows a whistle whose echo is heard by the driver after 5 seconds. If the speed of sound in air is 330 meter per second, then the speed of engine is what? So in this question asks about the speed of the engine. So which option is correct? Option A is 32 meter per second, option B 27.5 meter per second, option C 60 meter per second, and option D 30 meter per second. So which one is correct? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So, an engine approaches a hill like this. A train engine approaches a hill. This is hill with a constant speed. The speed of this train engine is a constant. So, when it is at a distance 0.9 kilometer, the distance between hill and train engine is 0.9 kilometer, which is in meter is 900 meter. It blows a whistle from whose echo is heard by the driver after 5 seconds. Means whose echo is heard by the driver after 5 seconds. Clear? So time is 5 seconds. If the speed of sound in air is 330 meter per second, then the speed of engine is, we have 900 plus 900 minus x. So when this car, this train engine is moving towards the hill, the distance between hill and the train is 900 meter, and after 5 second, the train engine covered some distances like this one. So in that case, the distance between train and hill is 900 minus 5 ve. So we have 900 plus 900 minus x is equal to 330 multiplied by 5 is equal to 1650. So x is equal to, after solving this, 150 meter, and speed is 150 divided by 5, which is 30 meter per second. Clear? So 30 meter per second is the correct answer. This one. Next question 36. A traveling wave represented by y equal to a sine omega t minus kx, this is equation, is superimposed on another wave represented by y equal to a sine omega t minus plus kx. The resultant is what? So here question asked about the resultant. Option A is a standing wave having nodes at x is equal to n plus 1 by 2 divided multiply by lambda by 2. And option B, a wave traveling along positive x-axis. And option C, a wave traveling along minus x direction. And option D, standing wave having nodes at x is equal to n lambda by 2, where n equal to 0, 1, 2. So which option is correct? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So, traveling wave represented by this one, y equal to a sine omega t minus kx, is superimposed on another traveling wave, this one. The resultant is x equal to n plus ny and 1 by 2 multiply lambda by 2. So we know y equal to y1 plus y2, where y is the resultant. So y1 is a sine omega t minus kx plus y2 is a sine omega t plus kx. So solving these two, y1 and y2, you will be get y equal to 2a sine omega t cos kx. Clear? Suppose this is a wave, first one, and this is second one. Clearly it is equation of standing wave for position of nodes y equal to 0 and x equal to 2n plus 1 multiply by lambda by 4, which is equal to n plus 1 n plus 1 by 2 multiply by lambda by 2. Clear? So correct option is A. A is correct option. Next question 37. Question is, a piston fitted in a cylindrical pipe is pulled as shown in figure. This one, a tuning fork is sounded at open end and loudest sound is heard at open length 13 cm, 41 cm and 69 cm. The frequency of tuning fork is if velocity of sound is 350 meter per second is what? So in this question asked about the frequency of tuning fork. Clear? If the velocity of sound is 350 meter per second. So given options, option A is 1250 Hz, option B 625 Hz, option C 417 Hz, and option D 715 Hz. So which option is correct? Option A, option B, option C, and option D. You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So, in a closed organ pipe in which length of air column can be increased or decreased. So, the first resonance occurs at lambda by 4. This one. When the tuning fork is sounded. And second resonance occurs at 3 lambda by 4. This one. Thus, at first resonance, lambda by 4, this one lambda by 4 is equal to 13. Let this is equation first. And at second resonance, this one, at second resonance, this one, the 3 lambda by 4 is equal to 41. Let this is equation second. Subtracting equation first from equation second, we have 3 lambda divided by 4 minus lambda by 4 is equal to 41 minus 13, where lambda equal to 56 centimeter. Hence, frequency of tuning fork n is equal to V by lambda naught, where V is 350 and lambda naught 56 into 10 having power minus 2. And solving these two terms, you will be get 625 Hz is the frequency of the tuning fork. So, correct answer is 625. This one is correct answer. 625 Hz. Next question. Question 38. Question is, A and B are two source generating sound waves. A and B. A listener is situated at C. Here a listener is situated. The frequency of the source at A is 500 Hz. This one 500 Hz. And now moves towards C. Moving towards C. This one. With speed 4 meter per second. Speed of A is 4 meter per second. The number of beats heard at C is 6. When A moves towards away from C with speed 4 meter per second, A moves away from C. The number of beats heard at C is 18. The speed of sound is 340 meter per second. The frequency of the source at B is what? So question asked about the frequency of the source at B here. Given options, option A is 500 Hz, option B 506 Hz, option C 512 Hz, and option D 494 Hz. So which option is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So the frequency of source is 500 Hz, which is given in question, and speed of source A is 4 meter per second. That this is U. Then the source is moving towards stationary observer. This one here. In that case, V prime is equal to V divided by V minus U, V naught, where V is the speed of sound. Putting all given terms in this formula, we will be get 340 divided by 340 minus 4 multiplied by 500. So V prime is equal to 506 Hz. Now, when source is residing from the observer, from the observer is hiding. In that case, V prime is equal to V divided by V plus U multiply V naught. So putting all given terms in this formula, we will be get 340 divided by 344 multiply by 500 hertz. So V prime is equal to 494 hertz. So here two cases. First is the when the source moving towards stationary observer source. This is stationary here. In second one, when the source is residing from the observer. In both cases, in first cases the frequency is 506 hertz, and in the second cases the V prime is 494 hertz. So according to question, let frequency of source B is Z hertz. So Z equal to 506 plus minus 6, so which is 500 or 512, and Z equal to 494 plus minus 18, which is Z equal to 512 or 476. The required frequency is 512. So 512 is the correct answer. 512 is the correct answer. C option is correct. 512 hertz is the frequency of the source at B. So this is the correct answer. Next question, question 39. Question is, a pipe of length 85 cm is closed from one end. Find the number of possible natural oscillations of air column in the pipe whose frequencies lie below 1250 Hz. The velocity of sound in air is 340 meter per second. Given options, option A is 12, option B is 8, option C is 6, and option D is 4. So which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So we know for closed organ pipe, formula is 2n plus 1 divided by 4l multiply V according to given terms in the question, where n equal to 0, 1, 2. So this one is pipe of length 85 centimeter, is a closed from one end, this one. So 2n plus 1 divided by 4l multiply by V is less than 1250. So 2n plus 1 less than 1250 multiply by 4 and 0.85 divided by 340, which is given in the question, and solving this term you will get n less than 5.25, where n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. So we have 6 possibilities. Clear? We have 6 possibilities. So correct answer is 6. This one. Next question, question 40. A sonometer wire of length 114 cm is fixed at both the ends. Where should the two bridges be placed so as to divide the wire into 3 segments whose fundamental frequencies are in the ratio 1:3:4? So which option is correct? Option A is at 36 cm and 84 cm from one end. Option B at 24 cm and 72 cm from one end. Option C at 48 cm and 96 cm from one end. And option D at 72 cm and 96 cm from one end. So which option is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So the length of the 3 segments is L1, L2 and L3. This one L1, L2 and L3, where V1 is equal to 1 divided by 2L1 under root F by mu. This one. So V2 prime is equal to 1 divided by 2L2 under root F by mu. Similarly, V3 is equal to 1 divided by 2L3 under root F by mu. So, V1 L1 is equal to V2 L2, V3 L3. As V1 ratio V2 ratio V3 is equal to this, so V1 equal to V2 L2 divided by L1, and V2 equal to 3V1 and V3 equal to 4V1. So this is given in the questions. So L2 equal to V1 divided by V2 multiplied by L1, which is equal to 1 by 3rd multiplied by L1. So this is the L2 equal to L1 divided by L3, and L3 is this one, V1 divided by V3 multiply L1. So putting all terms, you will be get L3 is equal to L1 divided by 4. So L1 plus L2 plus L3 is equal to 114. Now L1 is common. So L1 plus L1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 114. So L1 is equal to this 114. After solving this, L1 multiply 19 by 12 is equal to 114, and L1 equal to 72 centimeter, and L2 is equal to this one 24 centimeter. So this is the only calculation part. So L1 is 72 centimeter and L2 is 24 centimeter. So correct answer is B, this one. Next question 41. Question is, the transverse displacement y of xt of a wave on a string given by this one. This represents a what? Options A is wave moving in minus x direction with speed under root b by a. Option B, standing wave of frequency under root b. Option C, standing wave of frequency 1 divided by root b. And option D, wave moving in plus x direction with speed under root a by b. So which option is correct? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So this is the equation which is given in the question, y equal to this one. So it is a function of type y equal to f multiplied by omega t plus kx. This is the function. So y of xt represents wave traveling along minus x direction. So speed of wave is equal to omega by k. Here omega is under root b, this one, and k is under root a. So under root b divided by under root a. So omega by k is equal to under root b by a. So correct answer is this one, A. Next question 42. Question is, a train is moving on a straight track with speed 20 meter per second. It is blowing its whistle at frequency 1000 Hz. The percentage change in the frequency heard by a person standing near the track as the train passes him is close to what? Given options, option A is 6%, option B 12%, option C 18%, and option D 24%. Which option is correct? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So, apparent frequency heard by a person before crossing the train is F1 is equal to C divided by C minus Vs multiplied by F0. So, putting all the given terms in this formula, F1 is equal to 320 divided by 320 minus V multiply 1000. So, similarly, apparent frequency heard by after crossing the trains F2 is equal to C divided by C plus Vs multiply by FO, which is equal to this one. After putting the value, it is equal to 320 divided by 320 plus 20 multiply by 1000, where C is the speed of sound in air. So delta F is equal to F1 minus F2. So calculating this term from F1 minus F2, you will be get this one. So percentage change in frequency heard by the person standing near the track as the train passes him is, or delta F by F0 multiplied by 100 is equal to 2 CVS divided by C square minus Vs square multiplied by 100. So solving this term, you will be get 12.55%, which is equal to 12%. So correct answer is 12%. This one. So this is the just only calculation part. Clear? Next question. Question 43. A uniform string of length 20 meter is suspended from a rigid support. A short wave pulse is introduced at its lowest end. It starts moving up the string. The time taken to reach the support is what? Options A is 2 pi under root 2s. Option B is 2s. Option C 2 multiplied by 2s. Option D root 2s. So which option is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So, a uniform string of length 20 meter is suspended from a rigid support such that the time taken to reach the support is t equal to mg x divided by L. So, velocity at point P, this one here, which is equal to under root mgx divided by myl divided by myl. So solving this term, you will be get v equal to under root gx, myl is cancel out, and m is also cancel out. So dx upon dt is equal to under root gx. So after integration, 2 under root x 0 to 2 t meter, which is equal to under root 10t, and solving this term, you will be get t equal to 2 under root 2 second. So this is the time. So correct answer is C. This is just only calculation part. T equal to this one is correct answer. Clear? Next question. Question 44. Question is, a motorcycle starts from rest and accelerates along the straight path at 2 meter per second. At the starting point, the motorcycles there is a stationary electric siren. How far has the motorcycle gone when the driver hears the frequency of siren at 94% of its value when the motorcycle was at rest? Speed of sound is 330 meter per second. Given options, option is 49 meter, option B 98 meter, option C 147 meter, and option D 196 meter. So which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide the solution of this question. Let's find a solution. So, for motorcycle, u equal to 0 and a equal to 2 meter per second, as shown in this figure. From observer is in motion and source is at rest. Then apparent frequency v prime is equal to, using this formula for apparent frequency, v multiply v minus v naught divided by v plus vs, and putting all given terms, 94 divided by 100 v is equal to v 330 minus v naught divided by 330. After solving this numerical terms, you will be get v o is equal to 330 multiplied by 6 divided by 10 meter per second, and s is equal to v square minus u square divided by 2a. So using this formula and putting all given terms in this formula, you will be get answer is 98 meter. Clear? So B option is correct. B option is correct. This is same is a numerical part. 98 meter is correct answer. Now summary. So we solved questions using these formulas. Doppler effect for moving source and observer, f prime is equal to f v plus vo divided by v minus vs. Reflection of waves in a pipe and echo calculation. Superposition of waves y equal to sine omega t minus kx plus a sine omega t plus kx, and frequency of pipe from pipe f is equal to v by lambda, bit frequency f2 minus f1, and time for pulse to travel t l by v. So this is the important formulas. Thank you.